On this vote, the yeas are 53, the nays are 47, and this nomination is confirmed.
Well, it was an historic moment today as Ketanji Brown Jackson becomes the first black woman to serve on the United States Supreme Court. As the vote became official, she posed with President Biden, who said that he was honored to share this moment with her. Judge Jackson currently serves as a federal judge in Washington, D.C., and previously served as a public defender and on the U.S. Sentencing Commission.
Now, prior to today's vote, as you know, Judge Jackson faced intense questioning from Republican senators who claimed she had a bias, making her unfit for the Supreme Court. Today's confirmation came mostly along party lines, but the endorsement from 3 Republican senators helped solidify the historic confirmation today. Both of Indiana's Republican senators, Mike Braun and Todd Young, voted against Ketanji Brown Jackson's confirmation, as they previously said they would. CBS 4's Kristen Eskow spoke with Senator Young ahead of today's vote and legal experts about what this means for the Supreme Court. Kristen.
Well, Bob, an Indiana University law professor tells me he believes Judge Jackson's decisions on Supreme Court rulings may mirror some of the more centrist positions taken by the justice she's replacing.
And this nomination is confirmed.
Ahead of the confirmation vote, Congressman Andre Carson encouraged senators to vote yes for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson.
She is the most qualified nominee we've had in decades, and her perspective and really her experience are needed on the court.
Carson accused many Republicans of playing politics for opposing her nomination. All but 3 voted against, including Indiana Senators Mike Braun and Todd Young. Both have raised concerns of judicial activism or legislating from the bench. I spoke with Senator Young earlier this week.
You also need to interpret the Constitution in a way that is coherent and in a way that I believe is consistent with the law. If we take any other approach, one is basically reading into the Constitution one's own values.
Experts say it's impossible to predict exactly how a justice will rule in any particular case. Still, Steve Sanders of the IU Maurer School of Law says based on her testimony, he expects she'll be similar to retiring Justice Stephen Breyer.
I would describe Justice Breyer as a sort of centrist liberal. And I think that's the way Judge Jackson will be as well.
Sanders says a justice's background often plays a role as well, in subtle ways that helps bring understanding.
I don't think she will be defined by her identity. I think she needs to be understood in a larger context as somebody who has been a trial judge, as someone who has an uncle who has served time in prison.
Now, Judge Jackson won't weigh in on any cases that the court is ruling on this session. She'll be sworn in when Justice Breyer retires this summer. Live in the newsroom, Kristen Eskow, CBS 4 News.
Kristen, thank you.